Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to back up contact in Gmail. So please watch the video till the very end, and the first process is to open the contact on your mobile device. Tap open contact. There first you tap on the three horizontal line, that is the hamburger icon on the top left. There you must make sure that the option is in all account. Once you're at the all account section, you need to tap on fix and manage. You need to search for fix and manage or manage your contacts. Anything that says manage your contact, tap upon that. Now once you're at the manage your contact section, you need to look for the import or export file. Tap on export to file. Now here you can see the file option. You need to tap on save. Here you first need to choose the internal storage where you want to save this contact. You tap on save over here. Now the contact will get exported shortly. The exporting of the contacts have been completed. Now the another process is you go back. Now you need to go to the Google. Now once you're at the Google, you need to tap on this option over here, and from there you need to tap on contacts. Then all you need to do is import the file from your computer. Here you can see the file has been already available in my Google account, as I have auto synced my Google and my mobile device. So this is how you can back up contact in Gmail. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe WebToTech YouTube channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.